guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video, we're gonna talk about eyeliner. Now, I'm slowly getting into NYX. It's not a brand that I've used that often, but I'm finding little like gems that I love, and I personally feel like their brand has always had like really, really good hits and some misses. So I don't know, lately I've been finding amazing finds. So I'm somebody that when I do my eye makeup, I'm a little boring sometimes, but I'm okay with that. I'm very much a mascara, fill in my brows, and eyeliner kind of girl. I don't know, when I have eyeliner on, it just makes me feel put together. It makes me feel, a little bit of like a badass. I don't know. What's the product that you put on that whether it's a red lipstick, a certain blush, or something that when you put it on, like you walk in that room and you're just, I don't know, shoulders back and you feel good. That product for me is eyeliner. So I found this at CVS. It's their Epic Ink Liner. Epic Ink Liner. It does say it's waterproof. I didn't realize that when I got it, but I guess that's a good thing, especially if your eyes are teary or, your lids are oily. I typically don't have an issue with eyeliner disappearing on me. So I'm fine with it not being waterproof, but it's waterproof, so we'll test it out. I got it in the shade black. This does retail for about $10. Now, I'm sure maybe you could find it a little more affordable maybe on NYX. If it's on Amazon, I will link it down in my Amazon box. CVS tends to be a little bit more expensive. I don't know why. But if you have those CVS extra buck coupons, save those and use them. All right, this is what the box looks like. I love the packaging. It has this smoky water effect. And this is the brush. It says, swipe, flick, and slay. Draw the sharpest wings ever with our easy-to-use eyeliner, featuring a flexible precision brush tip. Pigment-packed liner delivers fluid strokes in epic black ink. Oh, okay, that sounds amazing. Now I'm curious. I don't know if this is a felt tip or if it's like a brush tip. Let's see. Ooh, it's like a brush tip, like those. Again, I always reference if you ever do lettering and you have the Tombow, I don't know how to say it, but it's an actual brush tip. This is what it looks like. I love eyeliners like this. These are the best. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh. Whoa, that's very black. That is very black. Amazing. All right. Let me see if this is one of those liners that you have to, you can kind of pump. We're just going to go for it. So I'm going to pull you in. I'm so excited right now. Hello. Now I have a little bit of a hooded eye, so I'm going to do eyeliner that kind of suits my eye. I think what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a kitten liner, which is a little line because I want to see how small I can get it and how detailed, and then we can make it more dramatic. All right, so I'm going to look forward at you, kind of, but look in my mirror and hopefully not block your view. So looking forward, I'm going to take this. Just want to make sure I'm in view. I pretend my lash line, my lower lash line, continues up. This is very pigmented. I am barely touching my skin, and it's applying nicely to my eye. Okay, so the point is nice and pointy, and the brush tip not being too long is great because it's actually letting me get into this area really good. So now I'm just going to take this and line my eyes. Oh, that tickles. Take your time when you're doing eyeliner. Nobody ever gets it in like one stroke. At least most people don't. I'm sorry, I just realized that it's very hard to talk and line your eyes at the same time. I apologize for the silence. All right, so you can definitely get a nice crisp line. What I'm seeing is if I make a line and then I go over it to kind of fix it, it doesn't do that weird thing where it dries and starts to flake. So that's very good. That's a problem with eyeliners. I didn't see that with this. Like I still had time to kind of play, and I'm not going to fast forward this eyeliner because I want you to see that, like obviously it takes time. And when you want to correct it, it's not doing anything funny. Very, very pretty. And you can see I have that nice fat wing liner. See, when I'm looking straight at you, it looks like a good straight line. And then when I look down, it gets a little funny, but that's okay. I'm gonna even myself out. This side I may forward. Why did that go on so much easier with my left hand than my right hand? Like, crazy easier with my left hand than my right hand. Go figure. All right, nice intense black eyeliner. Brush is very easy to use. It's flexible, yet it kind of stays together. So sometimes with those old school eyeliners, the ones that you like pull out and you like, it's like little brushes. If like one of the little brush hairs goes fray, it messes up the whole thing. You can get a nice fine line. You can build it up. I think this is great for like, if you want to do like graphic eyeliner, this is definitely something you can use. It's going to make your life easier. Take your time with it. With all eyeliners, like it's practice, practice, practice. You saw like this eye, it was kind of like, I made the strokes and then I connected it. This one was just easier for whatever reason. And that's that my left hand is not my dominant hand, but the brush itself just made it so much easier to flow through. So definitely, I would say it's beginner friendly. Don't be afraid of liquid eyeliner. Sometimes I find that those are a little easier to use than like the pencils, because the pencils, either the tip gets like too blunt or you go too thick and then you're stuck. At least here you can start with thin lines and slowly build to a thicker line. So fun product. Give it a shot. Let me know if you like it. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one.